5 of the best business checking account for entrepreneur and freelancer in 2021. A business checking account help you keep your work and personal finance separate. Here are the 5 best business checking accounts. Number 1, Blue Wine. The best business checking account is an online business bank focused on small business. They eliminate most common business checking fees so you can keep more of your money in your business. With Blue Wine, you get an online business checking account with no monthly fees and no income wired fees, NSF fees, and or ATM fees. A Blue Wine online business checking account comes with the following small business friendly feature. No fees apply online in 60-second mobile banking app. A few more things you will get with Blue Wine. Mobile checking deposit, free debit MasterCard for purchase, ACH Wonder payments, send check, 2 checkbooks include with your account, A plus rating with the BBB, FID insurance depot. Another option for simple business checking is Bank Novo. You won't pay any fees for your Bank Novo business account, and business have access to member only perks, discounts on business tools like Good Clouds Index, HubSpot, Stripe, and Salesforce Essential. There is $50 minimum opening deposit requirement. A few standard perks that really stand out in my mind. No monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirement, free transfer and mild checks, free ATM including waiving and refunding fees. You access accrue from lenders that on the ATM you use. Transfer funds, deposit checks, pay bills, mail paper checks, access integrate business tools like Xero, Zapper, Slack, and TransferWise. You also get free ACH transfer and income wires. Chase Business Complete Banking SM. If you are looking for a little cash to go with your new business checking account, Chase Business Complete Banking has you covered. To earn a 300 cash bonus, you need to complete the following step. Open a Chase Business Complete Banking account. Deposit a total of $2,000 in new money within 20 business days for account opening. Maintain that balance for 60 days. Complete 5 qualifying transactions within 60 days. Please note there is a $50 per month fees for this account, but there are ways to wise it waive the fee. One of the following must be true about the account. It must meet 2000 minimum daily balance. You must make 2000 in purchase on your Chase Bank business card. Some of the benefits of this business account as follows: unlimited electronic deposit, 100 transaction per month at no charge, $500 in cash deposit per statement cycle without additional fees, converting access 1600 ATM and more than 4 4700 branches. North One Business Checking Account. A North One Business Checking Account give you all the benefits you get with other business checking accounts. You will get easy online transfer, a debit card for local purchases, and mobile check deposit. But there are a couple of things that set North One apart. A North Business Checking Account include the following benefits: open an account in only 3 minutes, mobile banking with an easy to use app, web banking flat fee of $10 include unlimited transaction and no hidden fees. Send and receive ACH payments. Unlimited debit card transactions. Order extra debit card for your team within the app. Mobile check deposit. North Business Checking is built with the needs of small businesses and freelancer in mind. You will get these additional features. Pull reports of each card on your account, easily attach receipt to transaction. Expenses are automatically categorized. No limit on viewing your account history. Give read only access to your accountant. Easily report debit card as lost or stolen. Reduce bank Telerite checking. Reduce bank Telerite checking is a reduced bank new business checking account. Telerite checking is specially graded toward. A Telerite checking account includes the following benefit: easy paperless online application that can be completed in 10 minutes or less. No documents needed. Unlimited 1% cash back on all debit card purchases. For a limited time, get 1.650% cash back on every dollar you spend in the health, food, entertainment, and social good categories. Earn 0.10% API on your account balance. Free ATM visits including rebates on third party ATM fees worldwide. The $10 monthly maintenance fees will be waived after your balance reaches $5,000. No minimum monthly balance required. In addition to above benefits, you can also enjoy these features: free membership to Autobooks, ACH debit and credit card, remote deposit, ACH debit black filter, merchant service, free bill pay, e-payment solution, reporting and accounting integrations. Summary of the best checking accounts: Blue Wine, Bank Novo, Chase Business Complete Banking, North One Business Checking Account, Reduce Bank Telerite Checking. Other options: Capital One Super Cash for Business, Inc Business Cash Debit Card, Inc Business Unlimited Debit Card.